Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Vite Cherie blender mixer by Forte. There's a lot of information on this box, so you can see a photo of what this particular blender mixer is going to look like. This particular blender mixer comes with 3 jars and 1-year warranty as well. Okay, then some technical specifications: 400 watt pure copper motor, uses grind, mix, blend, whip, grind twice written over here, that's fine. Puree, smoothie and ice crush. It comes with a pulse function. It has superior quality stainless steel blades. It also has overheat and overload protection, and it is easy to use and easy to clean. Do we have any more information? More or less the same on this side as well. Let's just open this box and take a look inside. Here we are. These are the components of this particular box. You see there are like 3 jars. This is the motor, and there are some strainers over here as well, along with a bottle lid. And this is of course the user manual and warranty card. Everything that you need to know about this particular device, this particular mixer blender, you will find in this particular manual. So please read it before you go ahead and use this device. So let's talk about the main parts. So we have a high cup. This is the high cup. This comes with a cross blade base, as you can see right over here. There we go, closer look. This is what the base looks like, and this is the high cup right over here. It's a nice looking transparent cup, by the way. Next up we have this is the low cup in fact. So there you go, this is the low cup. It comes with the grinder, the blades attached to it, the blade base attached to it. So you must be careful with this. These are very sharp blades, by the way. Okay, so and there you go. And you can obviously replace this with this one. So when you want to use the high cup, you just put it over here and you're good to go. And finally we have this particular jar. This looks like a mug because it comes with a handle. So this can be used for, as a juicer as well. So the idea is that you attach it over here with whatever fruit and ingredient that you want inside, and then you just do what you need to do, basically make juice out of it. Do we have anything more? Yes, there are some strainers over here there are 3 strainers over here. Actually there are 2 strainers and 1 lid cover. So the purpose of the strainer is to remove the pulp from the juice once you've done using it as a juicer. And finally we have this cap. This is for covering any of these jars. So if you have the high jar you want to cover up, so you can do that. It's as simple as just twisting it on top and you're done. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Vite Cherie blender mixer from Forte. Thank you for watching.